I will read from passage 5. Life in the youth changed a lot because of many new inventions, things like telephone, radio, and movie, which should help people across the country feel more connected and think more alike. Travel also become easier. People use big cars and even airplanes to move around faster and go faster. Cars become very popular and then mean better roads were needed. Let's check heaven because of new electric then use gas or oil. And also because of electronic have run many in factors and powered more things and home, like like likes and over application. Thank you attention.